excess is snatching my wigs off. They melting right off my face. Babe, come see my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGqueenhair. They were kind enough to send me a unit to review for you guys. But as always, before you get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Damn near every day. Asking me a question like Jock, where you stay? Tell them college ball, where the chop cars. Eat 20 grand, spend $1 grand at the bar. Just about his own. J's on my feet. I'm on that Patron, so get like me. 69 cutlass with the bucket seats. Beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Catch me in the hood, posted at the stove. Pistol in my lap on the phone, counting dough. If your girl chew, let her do a thing. Just like a mama, nice ass, night brain. Everybody love me, I'm so fly. Nigga throw the deuces every time I ride by. I know you wonder why, I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Cubes on my neck, pocket full of bent frames. When I'm in the mall, hoes just pause. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work, make the block bump. Boys in the hood, call me Black Donald Trump. Dope boy magic, 7 days a week. #1 record, longest nitty on the beat. Who I think they like me, better yet I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Niggas know my crew, we certified stars. Belly in the front, pop 35 cars. Bitches in the back, black beamer coops. Girls like the girls, time to recruit. If you got a problem, say it to my face. We can knuckle up anytime, any place. Meet me at the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Time to set it all. Let these niggas know. Have you ever seen a Chevy with the
Okay, did you see how quick the install was? Yes, we all about quickness over here because I got things to do. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGqueenhair. It is their Kinky Curly U part bob. It comes in a natural color, and the starting and only price for this unit is $129. Yes, and you guys know me. If there's a discount available, I will put it down below so you guys can check that out too. Okay, what I tell you, save your coin. Now the unit only comes in 12 inches, which is what I got. However, you can choose the parting space for your unit, meaning my unit came in the middle part. That's what I wanted. However, you can choose to get it in a left side part. This is my right. You can get it in a right side part or a left side part. So left side part gang, you can get your thing. Right side part gang, you can get your thing. Or middle part gang, you can get your thing. And I don't think that changes the price, but let me check. Oh, wait a minute. Shush. No, it doesn't change the price point. However, it does add a custom time frame to your unit. So if you get a left or right side part, it will take 10 extra days to make your unit. Like you saw in the put down, the cap construction is pretty simple. It comes with the 2 bands in the middle that you have to cut out, 2 combs by the U part. It also has 2 clips on the side so you can clip the unit down, and then it has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I decided to tighten down the adjustable straps in the back as well as use some bobby pins around my U part because I didn't really want to use the combs. You guys know combs, they snatch your edges out to the follicle, okay, and I don't got time for that. So I just used the bobby pins to kind of secure this down, and that's how this unit is mainly sitting on my head. I did co-wash the unit. You also want to kind of define those curls a little bit. I'm not really big on using products and defining curls and things like that, but I know my girl Sherelle, aka Natural Joy, and also Mary, aka Naturally Mary, they be having their curls popping on their wigs, y'all, and I just be like, dang, I want my wig to look like that. So I did use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner. Then I used this little brush that I got from Walmart. It is a detangling brush. It's by Evolve. I actually saw Miss Naturally Mary use this when she did her kind of defining her curls when she did her leave-in conditioner. And y'all, I'm really happy that I did that. These curls look kinky curly, kinky curly. me. These curls look amazing. Let me come closer so y'all can see these curls on this. Look, they bouncing, they bouncing. Obviously, you know that my natural hair texture is not this curly or this tight curled or whatever. I already had twisted my hair from, you know, my twist down or whatever. So I just took the ones out in the front here and then kind of pinned them back onto the unit. I do have some gray hairs, okay, so you probably see them joints shining through, but there she is right there. I think this is really cute. It's not really a lot of hair on my face. It's very lightweight. The curls are very juicy and nice. Like I just feel real I like this. I'll be rocking her for the rest of the day. It's not a lot of glue and stuff around my head. It's hot outside, okay? Texas is snatching my wigs off. They melting right off my face. My edges gotta breathe. I'm hot now. I'm hot now. This is how the unit's looking from the side. And then this is how it's looking to the back. Those curls are popping. This was so easy to do. Babe, come see my hair. What do you think about this one?
You want the honest truth?
Tell the truth.
I feel like there's not enough hair in the middle.
Kenny?
The two-part?
It's a U part. Two-part. It's my hair. So it's not going to be as full in the middle because it's meant to look like two little pigtail things on the side of my head.
I don't see the pigtails. I mean, you look cute. I don't know.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anyway, y'all, this is how it's looking. I like it, and I don't know, I just feel like I look good. That's all it is, okay? When hair makes you feel like you look good, I'm all for that. Okay, I'm all for it. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. Shout out one more time to OMGqueenhair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.